Hi students, here we have to find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. Here students, given equation of ellipse V, x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. And we know that students, the equation of the standard form of the ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Okay, so here students, we can write it. This implies x square upon 4 square plus y square upon here will be y square upon 3 square, okay, equal to 1. Y square upon 3 square is equal to 1. Here students, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. So here, since a is greater than b, so our major axis of this ellipse will be along with x-axis. So here students, let's draw the graph of this ellipse. Will be here. This is x-axis students, this is y-axis and its origin. Okay, so now here students, since our major axis of this ellipse along with x-axis, so here will be the graph is here. Just like this. Okay, so here this is a dash, b and b dash. Okay, here students, a and a dash is called the major axis of the ellipse and b dash is called minor axis of the ellipse. Okay, so here students, here the length of the vertex from the origin is or center is 4 here. So here will be the coordinate of a is equal to 4 0 and the coordinate of b is equal to 0 3. Okay, so here we have to find the area of the ellipse. So here we have to find the area of this shaded region. Okay, we have to find the area of this shaded region. So for finding the area of this shaded region, if we will find the area of the region O A B O and multiplied by 4, then we will get the area of the bounded region. Okay, so here students, therefore area of the region, area of the region bounded by the ellipse region, equal to 4 into area of the region O A B O equal to 4 into area of this region will be here students. Let's draw the line. X is equal to 4 here and here x is equal to 0 now. So here will be integration from 0 to 4 0 to 4, and here will be y dx. Here will be y dx. Okay, so now from this curve here, students, we can write it. This implies y square upon 3 square equal to 1 minus x square upon 4 square. This implies y is equal to plus minus, students, 3 upon 4 under root 4 square minus x square. So here we will take the positive value of y here, students. So here will be equal to 4 into integration from 0 to 4, y is equal to, from here, 3/4. So we will take 3/4 outside from the integral. So here will be 3/4 here, and root 4 square minus x square dx. Okay, this 4 and this 4 will be cancelled here. Now finally we can write 3 into integration from 0 to 4 under root 4 square minus x square dx. Okay, students, so now we know that integration of under root a square minus x square is equal to, here will be 3 into xy 2 into under root 4 square minus x square plus a square by 2, that means 16/2, into sine inverse x by a means 4. Okay, from 0 to 4. Okay, now equal to 3 into, here will be, students, the value of this part will be this will be 0 when we put x is equal to 4, and here will be, students, and here will be 2 8 just 16, and when we put x is equal to 4 here, this will be sine inverse 1. The value of sine inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2 here, so we can write here 8 into pi by 2, minus when we put x is equal to 0, this will be 0, and this will be here, students, sine inverse 0 is equal to 0, so finally here will also be 0. Okay, so now equal to 3 into 8 into 5 by 2. Okay, 2 4 ja 8 equal to 4 3 ja 12 pi units. 12 pi units. So this is the required area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. Thank you so much.